Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenters is for academic purposes only. The presented information should be supported by credible website. Acknowledgements for the authors included images and background music. The students authorize the posting of their videos. All data, including images, videos, and audio clips, serves as tool for disseminating information. No copyright infringement intended.
Welcome ka Turismo! Do you want to experience varieties of destinations and fun activities? Welcome to our travel agency, the Pahuay Travel and Tours, which will help tourists to rest from their worries and temporarily escape from everything. Our agency is established to cater and provide all your travel needs and requirements. We can offer a trip that will bring tourists to the best attractions and will give them a fun experience in the most promising place because of its specific waves, the Baler Aurora. For our main tour, we call this as the Baler Venture. So, why Baler? Baler is known as the birthplace of Philippine surfing. Many tourists enjoy Baler because of its history, cultural heritage, as well as attractions. From centuries-old churches to rock climbing destinations, it remains the beauty of Baler. It is famous for those who want to experience surfing for the first time because of its sensational waves. Also, Baler is a unique place with a unique people. Warm welcome awaits for those visitors arriving in the place. Balerianos are being generous and friendly. So, do you want to try best delicacies? Start surfing, know the history of Ermita Hill, and explore Museo de Baler? So get ready for the exciting, venturesome, and memorable trip in Baler Aurora. You can experience and get to try all of this here in Pahuay Travel and Tours.
This is our tour package itinerary in Baler Aurora. For the travel itinerary, it is a guided tour. So on the first day, tourists will be assembling in Cubao Bus Terminal and departing at 2 o'clock a.m. Arrival time at Baler will be 7 o'clock a.m. Then check-in at Hotel Lady Nina, a hotel with great comfort and excellent service. Also, you can experience the clean, fresh, and refreshing view of Cemento Beach. First, you will have a city tour. So the first stop will be in Museo de Baler. Explore and know the history of Spaniards' last stand during the Philippine Revolution of 1898. This museum displays artifacts and paintings about the history of Aurora, and photos and memorabilia of native son Manuel L. Quezon. Then take pictures in Quezon Park. The next destination is Baler 400 Years Monument. You can do sightseeing, capture photos, and roam around the place and see Lieutenant James Gilmore Marker. Next to visit is Doña Aurora House to see some artifacts, old photographs, and other memorabilia which associated with the life of Mrs. Quezon.
For lunch, you'll be eating where surf history meets Filipino fusion food. It is in Coble Bistro at around 12 noon. The food is great and the ambience is comfortable and relaxing. At 1:30 p.m., you'll resume the city tour in Ermita Hill, one of the highest places in Baler. You will see fabulous panoramic view of Baler's lengthy and pristine coastline. The wind is cool, relentless, and this place is worthy to take some pictures. Then, you'll explore Zambali Baler Hanging Bridge, a place to unwind and a place to take some good pictures. And for the last stop will be Baler Fishport, to have a sidewalk and to wait for the sunset, because this place is a good view for sunsets. After the city tour, we will be back at the hotel by 6 p.m. and have dinner by 8 p.m., then rest.
And for the second day, breakfast will be at 7 a.m. Then prepare yourself to go at Sabang Beach to have a surfing lesson. Sabang Some Beach is good for those who wants to try surfing for the first time because of its current. It may not be a pristine beach, but its beauty emanates as being called the Sunrise Beach of Aurora Province, where sunrise and waves are equally as outstanding to complement each other to bring forth an amazing surfing experience, and you can do swimming as well. After 3 hours of surfing lesson, have your lunch in Boardwalk Restaurant. Try to taste authentic Pinoy dishes, and they offer fine Mediterranean cuisine in stunning beachfront setting right on Kuta's beautiful beach. We're offering fantastic value meals and great service. At around 1 p.m., back to the hotel, then prepare yourself for another destination, then check out. By 2 p.m., head to Fishport, then travel to Decasalarian Cove using boat. Before heading to Decasalarian Cove, you will pass through a Costa Pacifica to have a coordination and for the payment. Decasalarian Cove is a secluded white sand beach where the verdant Sierra Madre foothills meet the Pacific Ocean. Dark, thickly forested hills contrast with the striking white shoreline. It's surrounded by white sand beach, rock formations, and clear blue waters reflecting the mountains that attract all types of travelers. While its underwater world boasts colorful corals and sea creatures enough to entice you to snorkel. So, you can do swimming, walk in its white sand beach, and see rock formations. Then have your dinner by 7 p.m. and you can do camping at night around 8 p.m. then rest.
After being satisfied with your day 2 travel, we will just relax and have a shopping trip on the last day. So for the last day, have your breakfast first in Yol's Iyaw Iyaw and Seafood Restaurant is a good option. It provides a diverse option for differing palace grilled seafood and meat, the much-written Paco salad, a free service of full-flavored bulalo soup, and even a heart attack threatening chicharong bulaklak, a very Philippine fare. By 9:30 a.m., buy souvenirs in Aurora Pasulubong Center to buy some famous and unique food in Baler. Next is buy souvenirs in Baler Public Market. You can buy dried seafoods. Then by 12 noon, lunch at Jerry Shan's place, famous for its buffet, which is particularly seafood heavy with touches of Chinese cuisine and welcome bit of spice. Then resume buying pasulubong at 1:30 p.m. at the Best Cabanatuan homemade longganisa. And before leaving Baler, we will go to Baler Church and explore its inside for a little time. So after that, at around 3 p.m., prepare on going back to Manila. And that ends our Baler venture!
There are so many popular souvenirs that you can purchase here in Baler, Aurora, including the biniklad na dilis, peanut butter, and coconut jam. Peanut butter from Nanay Paseng is one of the healthiest peanut butter brands in the country because it only uses high-quality ingredients and is all natural with no preservatives as well as trans fat. Next is Suman de Baler that makes our country proud. Usually made with organic black rice and coconut milk, which is ideal for merienda. And tastes even better when paired with peanut butter. But the best souvenir here in Baler, Aurora is banig and rattan products. It is a traditional hand-woven crops made by Balerianos. It simply describes how Balerianos are preserving their native products. And it is good that they're still promoting their native products to every tourist locally and internationally. The importance of banig and rattan products is to sustain and promote ecotourism by patronizing their locally made products, and in that way we can help them boost their tourism and economy.
Pahuay Travel and Tours will make your trip memorable and have a fun experience. The tour will circulate in Baler, Aurora, highlighting its famous destinations and attractions. So, for your Baler venture, Pahuay Travel and Tours will take care of all your details, tour package, and inclusions. So here is our inclusions.
Here are the inclusions. 2 days and 1 night accommodation in Hotel Lady Nina with breakfast, overnight at Tikasalarin Cove, camping at Tikasalarin Cove, round-trip bus from Manila to Baler and Baler to Manila, rental van for tour, license and professional tour guide and tour coordinator, environmental fee, operation expense, travel insurance, historical and countryside tour, toll fees and fuel, and lastly, souvenirs.
This is our tour posting on overall services including transportation, accommodation, foods, land arrangements, markup, and other fees for single, double, triple, and 40 packs in Baler, Aurora. The land fare amount for round trip using car for single packs is 2,550 pesos. For double packs is 1,275 and for the triple packs is 850 pesos. For the 40 packs, the published rate of the van is 28,000 pesos minus 15% will be 23,800 pesos times 4 since there are 4 vans that will use so it will be 95,200 pesos divided by 40 is 2,380 pesos per head. Note that rates are net and rates are subject to change without prior notice. For the accommodation, the published rate for single standard room is 2,000 pesos, for the twin room is 2,200 pesos, for the triple room is 2,400 pesos, and for the 40 packs, they will be using 9 family rooms since one room is good for 5 packs. Then added 2 tour coordinators, so total of 9 family rooms. And that is worth of 720 pesos. Note that rates are net and rates are subject to change without prior notice. Next is for the full board meals. The rates for the single packs is 1,935 pesos. For the double packs is 1,535 pesos. For the triple packs is 1,401.66 pesos. And for the 40 packs, including the 2 coordinator, is 1,335 pesos. For our tour guide, the price for 3 days and 2 nights is 8,000 pesos. So for the single packs, it will be 8,000 pesos. As well, then for the double packs is 4,000 pesos. For the triple packs is 2,666.67 pesos. And for the 40 packs is 200 pesos. For the other fees, including the entrance fee for Ermita Hill, surfing lesson, entrance fee in Kasalanan Cove, plus the boat ride developmental fee, and souvenirs, the rates for single packs is 3,330 pesos. Then for the double packs is 3,322 pesos, 50 cents. For the triple packs is 3,320 pesos. And for the 40 packs is 3,315 pesos, 75.
For the single packs, the overall total is 18,115 pesos. For the markup of 25%, we will be multiplying 18,115 pesos by 0.25 to get the markup of 4,528.75 pesos. Now, for our selling price, we will be adding the overall amount, which is 18,115 pesos, plus the markup, which is 4,528.75 pesos. So the selling price for the single packs is 22,643.75 pesos or 22,644 pesos per packs. For the double packs, the overall total is 12,565.83 pesos. For the markup of 25%, we will be multiplying 12,565.83 pesos by 0.25 to get the markup of 3,141.45 pesos. Now, for our selling price, we will be adding the overall amount, which is 12,565.83 pesos plus the markup, which is 3,141.45 pesos. So the selling price for the double packs is 15,707.28 pesos or 15,708 pesos per packs. For the triple packs, the overall total is 10,970.67 pesos. for the markup of 25%, we will be multiplying 10,970.67 pesos by 0.25 to get the markup of 2,742.66 pesos. Now, for our selling price, we will be adding the overall amount, which is 10,970.67 pesos plus the markup, which is 2,742.66 pesos. So the selling price for the triple packs, 13,713.33 pesos or 13,714 pesos per packs. For the 40 packs, the overall total is 8,255.75 pesos, and for the free of charge, we will be multiplying the overall total to the 2 free of charge, then dividing it by 40 paying packs, resulting the amount of 411.29 pesos, which is the amount for FOC. By adding 8,255.75 pesos and the amount for the FOC, which is 411.29 pesos, we will be having the net to operator per person of 8,636.54 pesos. For the mark of 25%, we will be multiplying the 8,636.54 by 0.25 to get the markup of 2,159.14 pesos. Now, for our selling price, we will be adding the net per person, which is 8,636.54 plus the markup, which is 2,159.14. So the selling price is 10,795.68 pesos or 10,796 pesos per packs. Note that rates are subject to change without prior notice.
Thank you for lending your ears and eyes with us. We hope that this experience will be unforgettable for everyone. We hope you enjoy your travel to the best destinations and attractions in Baler, Aurora. We are looking forward to your visit here in Baler, Aurora, and we hope you enjoy your trip and stay.
Thank you and mabuhay!
Thank you and mabuhay!
Thank you and mabuhay!
Thank you and mabuhay!